parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwada me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with your Maya. Me person me come any months with Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Adams. Yeah, I know Adams. Is he around? No, he's not around. Sometimes I can stand here and wait for you. Are you mad? I said go and wait for me. Adams is not around. No, he's not around. Why? What's wrong? In case he comes back, tell him that Kunedu came to look for him. If Adams comes back, I should tell him
Madam, you heard what I said. I said that when Adams returned from wherever he is to this so-called, whatever you call it, hostel or whatever. Hey, tell Adam that I Kunedu came to look for you. That's it.
Also, they'll wash a pal. Eh? Continue me. Now, how we didn't walk away. Why say? The lady that just came. What did she say? And we found babe. Jimmy Pierre. Let's go. Oh, where found babe?
I'm to conquer the country.
Foreign. My name's who to say. Foreign. And then come on, we need to be foreign. I force me about the copet. And I come on, you know, Cassase, me a kid was a be only way.
Brammy and baby power. Me now cry. You'll be a free state about it. Menya crowd your cousin.
Wouldn't be a matter, but the American doing the winning. And say, work of honor, winning it. Work of your family.
And boyfriend.
Phone.
I'm a boyfriend.
I say, a whole 1 area of 1 in the other. A foreigner. When you go to school, one on your sister or more. When you wow. BBA mom when you mass him, and you come a walk round it. Maybe make a quantity, but when you join us and what? When you join us and what, Panama, or near Santuat, me and yam, or Marco Dan, your mamma, as Antoine, and yam 9 months a month and 12 woo. I must say, I'm in no case, come that's a rock down. Or more rock, school. Von near Santuano. Or more rock, school. Now, the car woman can say, no, there was second one. Into or my woman come up with you. The mission what I say, and no nanching. As Antoine, teacher, maybe dear, and I won't know a quad the sea teacher, you know, and was doing free in them. And no nanching is that school man in a one problem. And this is a tavon and I'll be bizarre, but over I know you're innocent. Only will school her, and a boy in the person who used to have him out. Obi a hold their only as Antwati. There's one to be a foreign 19. Oh, to watch him nice, they say, only get no Swatana. And then I was a warrior, sir. Mr. Me, I didn't children will be a all gain or say, fuck gain at you. This is that you boy no number.
So my tongue. My tongue, my boyfriend, I could be a me. We should buy our old school when I catch me. So, what it's a mouth from Tim, what it's a young practice. Oh dear, my brother, mom, should the person.
Why I can't answer.
My boyfriend, like I trim, and I'm a chromatic that I is so on yet. But only my dear, now I respect your papa. Face day, I share the years to be me. But as you see, the years because in my house, I saw a dream.
Awful.
That's
I'm not.
Cry.
It's a Jimmy.
Me who said the main canoe day. But the way Jimmy dear and no the one on me. But I mean can't show. Me no as Antoine. Me matter say or never one at the tipema maybe son. I'm a worker say I am. On my head, that's nothing. And say in someone who cannot cry, and fat.
My cost 90 work.
And
I'll come and ask him to not nipa me.
Nipa man. May as well concern what it's a man for and tell one part the pa and one near catching.
As I did negative behind me.
So I tell you.
And I'll tell you, we do my terms of my brain.
Deb, and you mean I make come only no cassa and no trace.
Say, me, madam.
Quidgy.
Is it the make an tea?
Ah, and to make us an interest with missing and then simple and when
is that
it's all there.
Must mean them what?
Meaning dear, but the Akachum Nagas one
how many mammy?
Muffin. A Friday.
Sana deba. Me, who are dear me country on white word, Corona. Who trouble me? Foreigner.
She. Uzubaya auditia wasted and come up. Oh, just say, me my own some made the trouble.
So if it had been gone straight, you could have held my head off.
A little profile like comfort.
My mom can say,
Age.
let's say state and call issue too.
So I tell you, come on, both to
but it's our many me pa.
No, wow.
I know what did matter.
Menya wo behavior na trade there uti nyina why enti me make a choice engineer me can say this in because mati won kan and as Antoine we no mati that why yeah there is nothing you can do so I just don't want you to waste your time. Okay. Of course, everything is from now. Okay. Yes. Oh dear, may communicate to we going to now family come. My doctor.
Yes, I want.
Until the bishop. Oh, do you meet me as a bank company? Bye.
Party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me.
Sanati.
Let's say.
Let's say wo so de ba school mu ano. Say wa so am kan chiro. Si school mu ha won. On tie men kan. Bisa mase. You wicked. School mu me you silent killer me you wicked. So person me power asem me power asem. So person na wo tena so a me na obetina.
No man traitor.
Men traitor so wa. Ade ba kwa me chiro wiase na ekutiabo. Ene gina manim na keka de opeso kan bia kire me ekutiabo me na me hu ade na ba betufo ana me na wakasa ana wanti wadwen wo fom na wo wanti na wo
na minti enya de
wadwen wo fom na wanti
minti enya de
wanti adule mu na ade na mete wa de aduane bress akwa na wo ba ebu mekutia
minti mama mbre na aduane ana
aduane de fa bre no na da ebu mekutia me saka me dem wona makachiro no me adem chiro skuma yekutiabo na say so di menim be fom na adem dwakra ne say me metimi abre me ho akotieties my investigation ma ba be kachiro na me tufu na why adwen say wunti na mada ne konkonsen no kwa de dwakra anti no sa de na oye no won say me hu na metwem won say me hu skuma na metwem me pese me no benya nti so ne boy ni di mu nkwase asem na mu di mu nkwase asem hweso na mu di mu nkwase asem hu se me ba jiwani meti wonom na de ode bre na ode bre na akomembe gina na mekoto ana makoto Adam's kitchen na bro na den obi enim say Adam's kitchen dey de obi enim say de me ade bo makutia na
me de ma me dreaming ade
yes on so ndo
na me mejo o se me mejo won ni ma kokko bisa me ma se friend ma agaga ma de di no ro be wo school mu ase fo asem ba mi so para na me to na me mejo
ma agaga Yeshia.
Yeshia.
Ene school ma betina.
Papa, me no mienu.
Yeah, the best face one kasa. Oh, film say na me even. Oh.
Hey. Yeah, na shut up. You see me near the bye. Oh, start when the can you near there. Why make it come or did just two statements I silence myself. Presentation you pa na po tina pa abi. Oh yeah, me abi. Yes. E don plan say ya o Bukiat nanti say ya one anti our man na so o do fa we you perform sa o ba chow. Bukiat dia do Bukiat. Ojú omi náà rẹ̀ ṣe ló ń bọ́ ya rẹ̀.
Yàwó yẹn sáwọn ní mi. Bra lábẹ́kẹ́ sí mi ní mi. Yàwó jí náà wà yẹn ní mi sáwọn ní mi.
Mo fẹ́ sí òní lóṣù tó bá.
Lábẹ́kẹ́ sí mi ní mi. Ẹnẹ́ di amé mi bra.
Nọ wá pa náà bí tú ni adé ẹ̀yẹ́nu nọ. Adé ẹ̀yẹ́nu.
Èkúté ní mi rà mi ní sáwọn ní mi bra.
Adé mi bí sọ́sọ́ adé sáyẹn ló ń tì dáná.
Yàwó jí náà wà kíkà kan yà mi ní sáwọn ní mi. Bra lábẹ́kẹ́ sí mi.
Adé mi ní wọ́n sẹ́sẹ̀ wá dẹ̀ wáyẹ̀ dẹ̀.
Maa den say. Sisi ahụ na-eche mu ha abo nekutia.
Ada enye nyoma na.
There be why na-eche mu abo nekutia.
Bo just Captain Planet obo manyi na kutia na.
Eti wu mi na auto Captain Planet nyuma ho.
Eti mi hu na meto John Legend no man ka be jama ho.
Ene se me fa me ho. But ahụ na-ekutia.
Se metima to John Legend no dia se metima to Captain Planet nyom.
Hwe de wo ye ne mempe.
Sister me so mempe. De
wo ye ne mempe.
Sister. De wo ye ne me so mempe.
Ya won se ka bunsan fo me wo school ha no mu begije me pesa
me ka ada ba mi twa bebe me ka wo kwa ka bunsan fo me na me ka bunsan
me ka bunsan fo
na book no ka to na ka bo me a
maba book ne kwa asam na nda nche ma begina woni me to na ke bo wan ka be
oba we ana wo rush be ma oba ye ana wo rush be ma ne o pese ne be ma ko na book no to na ka bo me a ka ba
book ne bo wan ka be de
ka be me de
ka be de
wa we ada kuma tumi sabo
wo be to sabo me
na we asa
wo be to sabo me wo be to sabo me me so be to sabo me ana ah so ya be some kwan pe some titi ni ka you see me ko be na kan
Captain see the plan one day
why are we so worried? We have been listening to us.
If you be get out of it, say do boy I Obiadu boy. Say Obiadu boy. Obiadu boy. Obiadu boy. We are maybe got to kind of Santua.
We are maybe
Asantua. School my friends and come by Santua. School my friends and come by. Chasu.
Now, what did be Diabo? Now, what would you for me?
I was na ya. Enya na me metima ni mani pa ka betimi no wa hye mu skuma. Skuma nya me peni pa na ase me ji obi a o me life pa ka betimi no wa hye mu.
Debi o. Na wa le so for dan for me ana.
Enya na do hye mu skuma. Wo fi so be se me pa na.
Me be so pe.
Ni mbe pe ni.
Wo. Ko send it to wo. Ma be fa o se me plan no. Ene se ka mewu. Wow, bia se mu globe ni na no.
Ko fa de ona kon ko se ni ne ati na fu zami. Na wo ka de be se me ka de be se o.
Sa se no ka me
ka de be se.
Yeah, me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pese me come.
Nipa also no me unko. Several you wouldn't think.
Sorry, I was busy. I was doing something.
Asantwa, tell me, can come over now.
So today I want to open up. I want to tell you everything.
You
In fact, this thing is eating me. Say.
What is eating you up? I want to tell you. I want to open up. What is eating you up? Tell me. Open up.
Say. If I'm to tell you that Vaughn and Lydia are dating, would you believe me?
Who won?
Hey.
Oh, come on. Vaughn is my small boy. I asked him to move with Lydia. You know Vaughn, he has time. So I asked him to just keep an eye on Lydia. Ideally, I should have informed you. But unfortunately, I couldn't. I asked Vaughn to get closer to Lydia. I asked him to move with her. I asked him to monitor her.
Say, you can sao. Say, or
Come on, tell me something different. How can one do this? Vaughn is my small boy, you know it.
Say, or like.
You know Vaughn is my small boy, isn't it?
Say, I know. But I'm not talking about that side. They are in a relationship.
Come on, Asantwa. This cannot be true. How could Vaughn do that? I called Vaughn personally and I asked him to get closer to Lydia. I asked him to do that. And she told me categorically about how Vaughn is helping her do certain assignment. You know,
I understand what you are saying, but me, I know what I've seen. Say, I don't know.
You are seeing from a different angle. What you are seeing is not real. Asantwa, trust me, what you are seeing is not real. It's not what you are seeing.
I don't even know what to say.
See it from my lens. See it through my lens. Not yours, Asantwa.
Say, I don't. You have to believe me, or
you don't trust Vaughn. Vaughn cannot do that. Besides, Vaughn didn't know her until I introduced her to him. Asantwa.
Say, you have to believe me. I know what I'm seeing. I know what I've seen.
It's not what you're seeing. What you're seeing is Asantwa. Asantwa, relax. That it's not what you're seeing.
Say, can I make a show no cramp and yet say because of me tea many volunteer. But say
problem better on a bomb. Tell me.
Me problem be on come these days on come master home po. Oh, but me as a woman decide you way you won't may pay my cash no. Say mo we need to from now the show mo.
Lydia and Vaughn. Asantwa. Don't go at the Asantwa. Papa. Vaughn. Oh, no.
So you don't believe me?
It's not that I don't believe you, but what you're telling me is impossible. How could Vaughn do that?
So you trust too much.
It's not about me trusting too much. I know Vaughn. Come on.
So the person that you don't really know him that much. Oh. I know what I'm saying. No. You know him, but you don't know him. Me, I know him very well.
You put that one aside. Vaughn cannot do that. Okay?
Say, me, I've told you.
Asant!
You have to watch them. Oh. Watch your back. Oh.
Okay, you have heard you, but I know Vaughn will not do that. But watching my back, I'm watching.
Yeah, the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso yeah. Me person me come any months so yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Santua. Oh! Santua, what is wrong with you? Because of late, I don't see you well, Santua. It seems you're always thinking. What is bothering you? Is it Vaughn? Is it because Vaughn damned you for that girl, Lydia?
Damned who?
Oh, come on. You know what I'm talking about, girl. Is that the reason why you're sad? Well, Santua, let me tell you something. This is the time you need to turn back to God. Because He, Jehovah, is all loving, all caring. Santua, And if you are willing to turn back to him, he is gonna embrace you with love, okay? Asantua. Jaya Jane, born or then, or no Obani to Sanamona, then, Mamma, you understand? This is the time you have to join my ministry.
Aroma. Sound sense them the main post, sound sense them name from Mammy so.
But maybe like
When you're broken heart and now would you call preaching, or castle Biana or sound.
That is why I want you to join my ministry. BPM. Yeah, Broken People Ministry. Make your positions grumble. It's now that you are broken, so we're joining church and I meet me so for my cry, you understand? You understand? Broken, my doors are always open for such people. It is what you are and bring Emma or something. Come to God. And you be some you kind of some no can. Need to one among
Aroma.
Understand?
When Jai did it now, Jina Han me and me, but you were in a show a pump him and then
Oh,
main pest try so. Many brad breno and found woman.
over there. Asantua.
The car would say now, I know that.
Oh, science to be a muso bedding. I'm listening. Can you cry?
I know 5 years and I'll be and say, come and join my ministry. Ministry, Papa Bay.
And I was saying, obey then.
Come at you in their shoots, then I beg.
Santua come a bull fucking.
Baboom.
Me cussing a medium when munyam. Say come and call Bobby a waham or Brabo women who for squishing the buama. Or whether who.
South and fully.
But you actually meeting.
Who found fully me? So, oh, who found fully me?
Yes.
And so I can swallow it one for once while we are saying.
Yes, I'm bothered, you understand? I don't want to see you in this state, okay? So if there is anything bothering you, my doors are always open. You can come to my church, BPM. Okay?
What sort of church?
Broken People Ministry. Oh, join here. Listen, the service after school. After school, we will meet at the canteen and we will share a word of God. And trust me, you'll be okay.
Bro, get lost.
Really?
I'm here thinking of myself and you are here.
Oh, okay. So me, I'm talking gibberish. Well, no problem. That's why I said that one guy. I know he will kill you. That one guy will be the cause of your death. Asantua.
He will die before I do.
Hey,
nobody can kill me.
Nobody can kill me.
Nobody.
Broken heart, full of broken heart. Me, I know this.
You too, you are broken. You too, you are broken. Broken.
I understand you. Listen, I'm there now. So now I'm paying pa. You understand? So I state winning. I'm free, and I'm not doing that state win. Okay, that is why I want you to join me. No more guidelines.
You won't start it alone.
I don't know.
You have to chill. I know for Bible now.
Oh no.
Yeah, girl, who fry? No, I say switch.
Oh no, that's not what I do. Listen, Asanto, you are getting me wrong. We are seeing right now one therapy for broken heart. If you don't want to be broken, it's either you hit the gym or you turn to God. Huh? I mean,
it's broken heart. It's not for Bible.
Oh, Nyankopon nankasa na afrɛ. Okay, so Asanto, my doors are always open. Also, imagine say what join me. Now you am street, now you preach the word of God. Asanto.
Me.
Come on, girl.
Me.
Think about it, okay?
Nyame call for me.
Hey! Me dear, man, did this uncommon in Chemio. Nyame Faro.
Nyame no call for me. Me.
Yankopon, and you know it. Why? Well, you are doing here. My doors are always open, okay?
That's what Nyame plans me.
Well,
I'm watching. As a pusuation at all.
Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Ada ita say. Me buy the book. Just can me na me call. Just give me the money. What's the plan for? Me offer. What do you take me for? Meye mami mala o. Meye mami mala na say. Eni mu hono student e bia no bia betwem no mabu odi mu ase. That's the reason why I was dragging me back say my din no. It's do your duties. Na me come any. Now what is the overseer honor? Obaki can same go my mammy named boy in giant as say. Obian Coco into Diamamio, a full apartment. Ah, the say honor we are all there who know Kiamame. Don't start. Adams, the mayor one way no a torch. It's a fashion cream. I hear no when you know acquire flashlights. Be very careful and choke.
So what we are say crap from. Listen it is I am say unko I don't know.
If you self no, Adams unye hwe asase so na ebe fno. Asase so na ebe fno nye bia.
Me kwa na this will be a manager na boy.
Adams, did I told you to do that? Did I give you permission? Boy no nye, boy no fu han dan na ma okrampo na obesa fa ma be she dan nti jano. O girl no me hu so ne ge bi na ma say oba na be say ho. And I wie what I be di me ma me stone mu niema. Emo no matama ma milk na me ma Milo you take now the be say ahase no do tane girls. Adams, don't let me start. Adams, you love me.
I made this boy in children one man who say na osuban say.
One will say one will acquire question now or burn and what's that. Adams, don't joke with me.
Sana done we know he be not tambon that they bomb them.
And I make us aware thought. The next time it will be your eyes and your eyes will be flashlight. Adams, hurry up, don't.
This come on. I don't have any money.
What do you mean you don't have any money? What do you mean you don't have it? Adams!
Hey, I'm in school. I don't have any money.
You didn't talk about that. Right? You didn't talk about that. Adams! Adams! Okay!
I said, give me some time. Maybe tomorrow. I'll get some luck.
Adams, you want time? Time to do what, Adams? Time to do what? I'm shaking. Oh my God. I'm shaking. God. Adams, hold me. Adams, hold me. Adams! What time? No, talk. Comedy spirits.
No judgment.
Talk.
No judgment.
So what time, Adams? I'm calm. What time?
Please,
Tomorrow evening. That's fine. But you know that I love you. Adam, come closer. What? Now you're afraid of it. Adam, you didn't say one hour me yet, sir. Adam, I love you. You don't love me anymore. Adams! Come and just say. So tomorrow evening, okay? Take care. Sorry. See you.